said, I am so tired, what am I even doing? Grandmother enters quickly. My child, it's okay to feel tired, but giving up is not allowed. When you trust in Allah, the path will open. Maya silently absorbed these words, a small glimmer of hope formed in heart. Meanwhile, Arham faces a major setback at work. His boss criticizes him harshly. Arham thinking, I have failed. How do I start again? His friend Saad approaches. Saad, brother, every failure teach a lesson. Your courage is still alive. It will lift you again. For the first time, Arham feel hope. Life is not just about falling, it's about standing back up. Maya and Arham meet at a professional workshop. Maya is shy, Arham is reserved. This person seems like he has a lot lost something. Arham, I came here just to learn, maybe start something in a new. Their eyes meet, and in that silent moment, that realize that they share similar struggles.